Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users via ransomware, or disrupting normal business processes. Implementing effective cybersecurity measures is particularly challenging today because there are more devices than people, and attackers are becoming more innovative. Common cybersecurity threats. There are many different types of cybersecurity threats, but some of the most common include 1. Malware. Malware is software that is designed to harm a computer system. 2. It can include viruses, worms, trojans, and spyware. 3. Phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack that tries to trick users into revealing personal information or clicking on a malicious link. 4. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts a user's files and demands payment in order to decrypt them. 5. Denial of service, DOS, attacks. DOS attacks attempt to overwhelm a system with traffic, making it unavailable to legitimate users. 6. Zero-day attacks. Zero-day attacks are attacks that exploit vulnerabilities in software that the vendor is not aware of. Cybersecurity best practices. There are a number of things that individuals and organizations can do to protect themselves from cyber attacks. Some of the best practices include 1. Using strong passwords. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. 2. Keeping software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. 3. Being careful about what you click on. Do not click on links or open attachments from unknown senders. 4. Using a firewall. A firewall is a barrier that can help to block unauthorized access to a system. 5. Backing up your data. Regularly back up your data so that you can restore it if it is lost or corrupted. Cybersecurity for businesses. Businesses are particularly vulnerable to cyber attacks because they often have large amounts of sensitive data that attackers are targeting. In addition to the best practices mentioned above, businesses can also take a number of other steps to protect themselves, such as 1. Conducting regular security audits. A security audit can help to identify vulnerabilities in a system. 2. Educating employees about cybersecurity. Employees are often the weakest link in a company's cybersecurity defenses. 3. Training them about cybersecurity can help to reduce the risk of attacks. 4. Having a disaster recovery plan. A disaster recovery plan outlines the steps that a company will take to recover from a cyber attack. Cybersecurity is an ongoing challenge that requires constant vigilance. By following the best practices mentioned above, individuals and organizations can help to protect themselves from cyber attacks. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel to know more about IT solutions and security.